What is up, YouTube? Snowy out today. So before we tear down this YZ, I really wanted to go for a rip on it. I'm not sure if conditions are the best. We'll go for a little rip. I'll probably kill myself. This thing's got zero traction. The tire is boldish. Let's see what happens. Let's just see what happens. This is 717 out here. It's a good spot to cut some teeth. Oh, it's slippery. Oh man, that looks terrible. Let's see what's up. Oh, this is the worst idea I've ever had. Okay, I for sure need a back tire if I'm going to be even attempting to do this stuff. For me, this thing's a two-finger clutch, at least. I'm so used to that clake on the Beta. Goes up hills pretty good. I am not unhappy with this. I don't think it'll take much to make this thing pretty trail worthy. Whew. So yeah, you know, I mean, outside of the conditions, this thing is so fun to ride. It's cool to be on something with a real power band. I think with a rear tire, this probably wouldn't be so miserable. Let's go down here a little ways, see what's up. Somebody was up here before, it looks like. I don't know when. Fresh tracks, baby. Trying to stay in a higher gear here. Oh, come on, front tire. Catch up with the back. All right. Gotta keep our speed up on this hill. Nope. No back tire. Oh, okay. Front tire can't keep up. Front tire's like, what are we doing? What are we even doing right now in this white stuff? Honestly, guys, I haven't ridden in the snow since I was a kid. It's just not something I do. Like when it's winter time, we go snowboarding. I put the bike away, but I just can't do it anymore. Like all I want to do is ride. So it's probably been since I was maybe 12 since I've ridden in the snow up in Pennsylvania. Wow. It's kind of fun, brings back memories. No, I love it. I just love it when it's cold out too. This is awesome. All right, tire, stay in your track, buddy. Man, this thing's awesome. It just sounds awesome. I love it. Oh, that's right, I don't have a kickstand. Not gonna lie, that was stupid fun. The sound this thing makes, that snap sound, man, it makes you feel all fuzzy inside. Sadly, YZ, you're gonna get torn down here, I think, before I really get a chance to ride you again. Super fun. Thanks for joining me. Let's tear this fucker apart. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up for sure. Please subscribe and pay attention to this Yz250 build. It's gonna be epic for me. See you later, guys.